In this video, I will show you how to remove your profile picture on Facebook Lite. Sometimes you may want to remove your profile photo for privacy reasons or simply because you don't like it anymore. Luckily, deleting your profile picture on Facebook Lite is easy and can be done in just a few simple steps. First things first, open up the Facebook Lite app on your device. Once you're in the app, look for the three horizontal lines located at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on these lines to open up the menu. Next, tap on your name at the very top of this menu. This action will take you directly to your Facebook profile now that you're on your profile page. You'll need to delete it from Facebook completely. Start by tapping on Photos in this section. Tap on an album labeled Profile Pictures. Here you will see all of your previous profile pictures along with the current one. Tap on your current profile picture. After selecting it, tap on these three little dots at the top right corner of this image. A list of options will appear. Now find and select Delete from this list. You'll receive a confirmation prompt asking if you are sure about deleting in this photo. To proceed, tap Yes to confirm, and just like that, you've successfully removed your profile picture from Facebook. Now, you can either leave it blank or upload a new one whenever you're ready. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below, and if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.